All right, so thank you for actually choosing to attend this session. And if I'm waking you up, I apologize. So I'm actually need to thank you for another reason. I get to be the narrator for a really pretty fantastic story that our pretty small team, tight-knit team, has been able to accomplish over a few short years. So who are we and what we do? And what do we do? Well, who are we should be evident by the name, Wabtec, right? That tells you everything. Wabtec is Westinghouse Air Brake, and they actually, what do we do is we build locomotives, right? That's our main business. We also build heavy mining machines, and as you'll see, transportation equipment. So our mission, like our tight-knit group, which I'll introduce you to in a little bit, is pretty simple. We de-risk innovation, the innovation investment to deliver breakthrough solutions. As you can tell by that mission statement, we're the R&D group, the AI R&D group for this almost $10 billion company. And our mission is to look 3 to 5 years out for our business units. So our expertise, as you can imagine, is machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, intelligent systems, and robotics and automation. Those 4 things don't actually cover the full 30-person personnel. Half of us are architects, infrastructure engineers, data engineers. So I'm going to give you a little teaser on some of the things that we've done. Starting from actually my left too now. So the left, upper left, what you're looking at is a rail yard. It's called a switch yard. And at a switch yard, what happens is all these UPs and CSXs and BNSFs, they come through and they got to switch their cars around in order to make sure that they go to the appropriate spot they're supposed to go to. So what we've done, and usually this is a pretty manual process, and so they lose, you can imagine, in kind of a lot of cars and a lot of time. So what we've done is created a solution that helps track cars and allow the yard manager to be able to know where each car is exactly at each point. In the middle, I'm going to save a little bit more because we're going to be talking about that later. But this is basically it's a track auditor. It's a track health auditor, and we'll get to that in a minute. Well, a few minutes.